Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about search function. So here in this table I want to find the wings. So I just type here and I use the mid function. Equal sign mid, and here I select this comma. You can see after that I should write the start number, which is W start from 4. So I should type here 4 comma. So how many characters? I need 4 characters. Close the bracket and enter. So you can see it works just fine. And I double click here. So here is the problem. So base has 4 characters. It's okay for that. So for node, it's somehow I have the problem. So I should solve this. In this case, I use the search function to solve this problem. So I just come here and write equal sign and write search, and here I want to find the space, find text, which text. So I just type here comma, which text, this one, close the bracket and enter. You can see the space located here, the number is here. So when I double click here, you can see it's different. It depends this, like when it's north it's 9 characters, when it's west it's 8 characters. So I just come here and I use this. So before that I should minus this with 4 because my word starts from the 4. So I just type here 4 and enter. So I just double click here. So now I just come here, double click here. I can add this, I can replace this 4 with these columns, or just type my function here. So I just click on this and enter, double click. You can see it worked just fine. So after that I just come here and come to this, and yes. So that's it about search. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.